Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with PancakeSwap, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start saving with PancakeSwap, first, navigate to the PancakeSwap website. Ensure you have a compatible wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. If you don't have a wallet yet, download and set it up according to the instructions provided. Once your wallet is ready, you'll need to add Binance Smart Chain to it. To do this, access your wallet settings and find the option for adding a network. Input the Binance Smart Chain details, including the network name, RPC URL, and chain ID. After your wallet is connected to the Binance Smart Chain, funded with BNB or another token. You can purchase BNB from exchanges like Binance and then transfer it to your wallet. Now, return to the PancakeSwap website and click on the Enter App button. Once you're inside the app, connect your wallet by clicking the Connect button. Select your wallet type from the options given and authorize the connection. Now, you can explore various options like exchanging tokens, providing liquidity, or staking. If you choose to provide liquidity, navigate to the Liquidity tab. Select the tokens you wish to pair, like BNB and Cake. Decide how much of each token you want to add and confirm your settings. After adding the liquidity, you'll receive liquidity provider tokens in return. These tokens represent your share in the liquidity pool and can be used for various purposes. You can also choose to stake your liquidity provider tokens to earn rewards. To do this, go to the Farms tab and find the appropriate farm for your tokens. Select the token pair you wish to stake and click on Approve. Once approved, input the amount you want to stake and confirm the transaction. As your tokens are staked, they will begin earning rewards in the form of Cake. To monitor your earnings, check the My Staking section regularly. If you ever want to withdraw your earnings or unstake your tokens, you can do so from the same section. That's it. You've now learned how to save with PancakeSwap. As you gain more experience, feel free to explore advanced features and strategies. Always stay informed about the risks involved and invest responsibly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.